When the water bucket is full, the unit will stop running and will make a beeping noise, and the bucket full indicator will light up. Once you empty the bucket, the unit will start running again. To prevent the growth of mold, clean the bucket with mild detergent every few weeks. Place the bucket back inside once clean and dry. After 250 hours of use, the filter indicator will light up. Remove the filter by pressing the tab above it. Clean it with warm, soapy water. Place it back into the unit once it is completely dried and press the filter button to reset. Please note, do not operate the unit when the filter is removed. With these simple steps to install and maintain your unit, you should get many years of service from your TCL dehumidifier. Thank you for purchasing a TCL dehumidifier. And welcome to the TCL family.